Hello everyone, welcome to lab 14, I believe. Yeah, lab 14 for the CKA exam. Let's look at the requirements. We're going to create a deployment, and a little later after that, we will download basically a YAML file based on the deployment, change it, and then we'll use the kubectl replace command to change what's making up the deployment. This lab is meant to show you how to use the kubectl replace command. So let's get started. I'm connected to a cluster with just one node. All right, let's create. K is alias to kubectl. By the way, I have 65 videos on CKA exam. All of them are fair game for CKA exam. So please watch them because they're equally useful for the exam. In fact, those are just a little bit easier than the CKA exam. So if you're having trouble following the CKA exam labs, those are the ones you should start with. All right, let's do create deploy -h just to get a sample of commands we can run to create deployment. So here's one. We will do that. Name would be different. Name would be deploy/Michigan. And then image would be nginx and replicas would be 3. Okay, get deploy. It's running. Okay, get pods. Let's describe one of the pods to see what image is running. I left out the word pods. All right, where is the image? Containers, nginx, see? Image, nginx. That's the name of the container, and this is the image being used. So now what we're going to do, we're going to create an YAML file from this deployment. So get deploy -Michigan. That's the name, Michigan -output YAML. That outputs the YAML file. We can save that to whatever file we want. Now we will edit that file, and under the container section, you see the image, nginx. We're going to change that to nginx 1.18. Now that we've done that, we're now going to use this file to replace what's running in the cluster. So k, this is the key, k replace -f. The easy part is all you have to do is give it the file. You don't have to repeat any of the parameters. All right, let's do that. And if we now do kget, you will see some of them are terminating. You see these three are running. One is being created. It's pending. One is getting terminated. Another fresh one is getting restarted, created. And now we have 3 running, and they're all brand new. You see 7 seconds, 10 seconds, 16 seconds. So now if I do describe pod, one of these new pods, you will see that the image has changed. Image is now nginx 1.18. It was not the normal nginx or the latest nginx. So this is how you can use the kubectl replace command to change something that's already running. Now, not everything will work for this, because like pod, you can't really change a running pod too much. Very little you can change. Anyhow, which is why in the deployment you terminate the old pod and create new ones. So I hope you found this lab useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. That really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. And I will see you in the next CKA lab.